is Philomena Edoro, and I'm proud to be a graduate of this Facility Diploma program. When I first joined the program, I was eager to build a career that blends technical knowledge, strategic thinking, and people's management. What I found was far more than that. It was not just a curriculum, it was indeed a transformative experience. The FM Diploma program gave me a foundation and even enhanced my skills on management of operations, maintenance, sustainability, and even went across to enhance my communication and leadership skills. One of the major highlights for me was learning how to manage complex facilities efficiently, especially in today's fast-changing environment. The hands-on projects and even case studies helped me to understand the real-world challenges of these facilities. And you know what? It also gives me the confidence to deal with them, to find solutions to these problems. Beyond the academics, the support I got from my facilitators, my peers, were incredible. They pushed me to think critically, to stay focused, and even be curious about certain things. Above all things, they pushed me to aim at excellence at all times. Today, I am stepping into the FM industry with clarity, with purpose, and toolkits, skills that are high in demand and that will help me excel even in this industry. I am so excited about the future because this program has not only shaped me professionally, it has also aided my personality. Whether it's managing smart buildings, leading sustainability initiative, or improving workplace experience, this program has really added value to me. To everyone considering to take or to be part of this program, you don't need to think twice. Please go for it. Go for it because eventually it's going to enhance your qualification. Not only your qualification, it's going to be a launch pad for a meaningful and a dynamic career. Thank you.